All right, so this is gonna be one of those us versus them videos. We want our customers to be educated. You know, there's a lot of crap going on out here, so I just wanna give you a quick example. We pulled up to do this yard over here. Now look at this trailer. We have full trailer load of compost. There's like 12 yards of compost in here. Top dresser, small aerator, big aerator, spreader sprayer for putting down our proprietary products that are like granular, that are soil builders, humics, humates, acids, humic acids, seaweed, kelp, seaweed and kelp extract. But I want you to look at this, what happened across the street. This is another company. I'm gonna block out their name, but check it out. They're following our lead. Lawn rescue, that's what we started. Lawn rescue is our thing, all right? So they're feeling the pressure. But look at the crap job they did. I want you to see this. I'll get you some close-ups too. It's patchwork. It's not even a complete job. The soil is the problem here. Everybody knows it's the soil. So if you're doing a patch job like this and you're paying big money to have someone come in and do a patch job like this, you wasted your money. The reason that they're only doing patch jobs, they didn't make the investment in the equipment like we have. We only do lawn rehabs. This is not their forte. This is just a fertilizer company that's in the area. Honestly, if the yard got to the point where they had to patch this back up, they did something wrong in my opinion. That's just how I feel about this. So they probably dropped the ball anyway. I can't prove it, but that's my opinion. But if you come over here and look, patchwork, patchwork, patchwork. Patchwork, patchwork, patchwork. I don't want to get busted out here. That's why I'm trying to hurry up a little bit. Now come over here. Where's the patchwork? Half-ass job, all right? Over here. Where's the patchwork? Half-ass job. I don't get it. They're paying almost as much money as that customer over there that we just did because we do it in bulk. We buy it in bulk. We have the trailers, the equipment to move fast and get this job done for people. Don't waste your money on this. This is a fail. Most of it happened because of crappy soil conditions. They're not fixing the soil. They're just patching the problem, putting a Band-Aid on it. It's a Band-Aid. Us, we are addressing the problem of the soil. We put over 3 yards of compost on this little yard. That's like, I don't know, 3-4 bags of compost. I want my customers to be educated on this stuff. It makes our job easier, to be honest with you. But when we have great examples of what not to do, I'm going to show you as well. So, us versus them. Let's go to back. Got next one to do. Let's go.